Love it when the sun reveals a spot like this, because it, whenever you have that, of course I say that, shade blocks, but whenever you have that, take a minute to stop and pay attention, because the sun might clear something up for you and show you something. So what I see real quick is I see some mica flakes right there. Pretty mica flakes. Look how gorgeous that is. But then I see some smoky quartz. What is that? Beautiful little tiny quartz specimen. Beautiful clarity. I see other possible, I see a red quartz there. I see a nice lemon or white quartz. I see a good looking, probably smoky quartz right here because of the sun. Look at that. Good looking. Okay, what else do I see? Maybe a nice little agate right there. I don't know. Could be a smoky quartz instead. Yeah, lemony. Sort of smoky maybe. And of course I lose my sun a little bit, but if you sit here long enough and you observe, you might see something that catches your eye, and could very well be a nice specimen. So you look for that, or at least I do when I'm down. Look at that. Look at that large mica piece. Wow. That's the largest one I've found. Gosh, it's gorgeous. Look at that. Incredible mica piece. Sitting there looking at me. He really didn't need the sun to make himself stand out. But that's what I'm talking about. When you get down and you look at certain aspects of how nature presents itself, you might catch something that you otherwise wouldn't see. And the sun makes a great identifier for you. Look at that. Look at that beauty. So nice shiny piece of quartz. The pretty node on that end. I thought I saw another sliver right there. So what is that? Beautiful little sliver of quartz. What else is sitting there? So my son has kind of moved along. I'm in the way now, and I think we've exhausted that minute. But had I come out earlier, I probably would have gotten the benefit of it shining directly in the creek and giving me some idea of, what can I see? So you don't always necessarily need the sun, but doesn't the sun help? Case in point, I don't need the sun to see this beautiful piece. And the color in that is gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful quartz. So let the sun help you. Sometimes it will, sometimes it won't. Sometimes you help yourself, right? That's life. It's my lesson for the day.